Okay, I just got my Pinephone from DHL. I'm going to try to videotape this with one hand and open it with the other. So this is what you can expect. If you get a Pinephone, it comes in a nice little box here. Community edition, USB ports. Has the package contents on the side. USB-C cable, Pinephone user manual. Alright, so plastic's off. It's a nice little plastic wrap. And let's see what it looks like. So as you take the box off, you have user manual here. You have the phone itself. And you can kind of slide that out. A little spot for the finger. It's a nice size phone too. Say it's probably about maybe 6 inches in length, not sure. Alright, it's got a little sleeve on it. So I'm trying to do all this with one hand so I can tape with the other one. And alright, it's really nice. Feels good in the hand. That is a nice phone. Okay, I've got everything unwrapped now. I've got everything laid out. And to take the back off, first thing you're going to need to do is to slip your fingernail in the corner. There's a little latch, and you can slide your finger around the phone. That way you can get the back off. Okay, what we're looking at right now is we're looking at the Ubuntu Touch operating system. That's really well polished, looks great, also scrolls well. They even have auto rotate in here. I'm going to make this video a little short because my phone's about to die that I'm recording with. But I wanted to show you guys Ubuntu Touch. So they deserve all the credit in the world for getting all this to work the way it's working. The only one that does auto rotate at the moment is the Ubuntu Touch, and I also have cellular data working, as you can see at the top. I also have Wi-Fi, and I'm going to do more videos on this. The only thing that's not working with Ubuntu Touch is the one of the calls. Now, it is one of the incoming or outgoing calls is working, but on the other end it's not. So that is, I'm sure, going to be fixed soon, and I'm going to leave Ubuntu Touch installed on my phone and keep up to date so I can log the progress. And once we get both incoming and outgoing calls working, I'm going to be happy to report on that. As I mentioned, the hardware kill switches on the back, that's a really cool feature right there. I'm also running the Manjaro and Mobian on SD card because I can get ingoing and outgoing calls on that one. Now, the Ubuntu Touch interface, though, is very nice, and I really wanted to show you guys what it looks like and how cool this whole thing is. As you can see, if you want to see all your programs running, you can basically swipe to the left and you have everything in this really cool visual windows that are open for you. So Ubuntu Touch, really cool, really awesome. Great work, guys. I really appreciate this phone. I love it. I love the hardware kill switches. I love that it is basically fully working except one direction of phone calls, and it is going to be fixed. I will be working on reporting on all that on all 3 operating systems: Mobian, Ubuntu Touch, and Manjaro. So stay tuned for that, guys. I just wanted to show you guys Ubuntu Touch and just how nice it's put together, how smooth it is. Everything works great. So thanks a lot, guys, and please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back later with more on the Pinephone.